Well, tonight we are hearing from Governor Bill Lee. This is data released this week from the Knox County Health Department. Shows COVID-19 is spreading faster in our community than ever before, and active cases are nearly doubling. 6 on your side's Wes Cooper spent the afternoon at Watts Bar Nuclear Plant, where the governor made a stop earlier today. And Wes, amid the growing number of cases, the governor says he does not have at least a plan for a state of emergency.
Right, Bo. The governor cites COVID-19 hospitalizations are remaining low in some metro areas of Tennessee, but that's not the case here in Knoxville. A pulmonary disease doctor from UT Medical Center says hospitalizations across our region are back above 500 since almost 5 months ago, and that's just not at UT Medical. A busy Thursday as usual at the Watts Bar Nuclear Plant in Ray County as Governor Bill Lee made a visit.
Clean energy production, anything we can do to support that is going to be important for the state.
But it wasn't all energy business at the plant.
We're in a really different place than we were in this pandemic before.
The governor says coronavirus case counts are not the metric that should be used for mitigation strategies.
We really don't even know the case counts when we consider the number of people taking tests at home. So we have to look at other metrics, the most important being those that are in the hospital. We're working really hard.
The reason, when you go back to looking at the magnitude of the current spike compared to others, is because of the very, very high transmissibility or contagiousness, if you will, of the Omicron variant. The Omicron variant nationally now accounts for about 98% of all infections, so we don't have any reason to believe it's not close to that here.
Tennessee Department of Health Commissioner Dr. Lisa Piercy reported Wednesday COVID-19 cases are starting to plateau in major metro areas, but indicated cases in Knoxville keep going up.
I speak with CEOs of our major hospital systems on a regular basis. Our team does. We're working with the Tennessee Hospital Association to make sure that we do everything we can from a state level to provide care for people across the state.
As the governor continues to work through the week, he says he admires the hard work school district employees are doing right now in the face of rising coronavirus cases.
In-person learning is incredibly important. President Biden said it yesterday. We've recognized across this country that keeping schools open is the best approach for children, and that we've got to do whatever we can to keep those schools open.
Governor Lee is encouraging anyone who hasn't had a coronavirus vaccine to get fully vaccinated. He says that is the best way you can protect yourself. Bo.
All right, Wes, thank you. Now, Governor Lee plans to deliver his annual State of the State speech on January 31st. It will be his 4th since taking office. And, of course, he is seeking re-election this year.